going to round the number 998 first to the nearest hundred and then to the nearest 10. So when rounding, remember 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 tells us to ignore the number in the roundings place, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 tell us to add 1 to the number in the roundings place. So the first thing I'm going to do is determine which number is in which place. So I've got an 8 starting from the right. I've got an 8 in the ones place, a 9 in the tens place, and a 9 in the hundreds place. So I'm going to start with the tens place because I'm rounding to the nearest 10. So there's the number in the tens place, and I'm going to look right next door. The number right next door is an 8, so it tells me to add 1 to the number in the roundings place. So I'm going to add 1 to the 9. That makes it a 10, but we can't have a 2-digit number in one place value, so I have to leave the 0, carry the 1. That 1 plus 9 equals another 10. So now I've got 1,000. The number to the right always becomes a 0. So now I've got 1,000. So 998 rounded to the nearest 10 is 1,000. Let's now round 998 to the nearest 1,000, or the nearest 100. So this 9 this time is in the hundreds place. And when we look right next door, there is another 9. And so that 9, again, tells us to add 1. So when I add 1 to that 9, it becomes a 10. And because there isn't another place to go to, I can just drop that 10 down. Everything to the right has to become a 0. So 998 rounded to the nearest 100 is also 1,000. Let's take a look at these two numbers, though, or this number on the number line. So if I were to make a number line, and let's start at 900 here, and we'll say 1,000 is over here. And I'm going by 10, so this is 910, 920, 930, 940, 950, 960, 970, 980, 990, 1,000. So this is 950 right here in the middle. 998 would fall like right about here, right? Because if this is 950, 60, 70, 80, 90, so if this is 990, 998 would be about right here, which is really close. It's actually closer to 1,000 than it would be to even 990, right? Because 995 is about there. So that's why it would round to that would be the nearest 10. Now, if I'm rounding it to the nearest 1,000 again, or the nearest 100 again, if 900 is here and 998 is here, the nearest 100 would be right here again, 1,000.